Today, we're diving into something super important but often overlooked, and that's website accessibility. Specifically, we're going to go step by step through installing the UserWay widget on your Elementor website to improve ADA compliance and make your site more accessible for everyone. So why does this matter? Well, accessibility isn't just about following rules. It's about making sure that everyone, including people with disabilities, can navigate, read, and interact with your site. Not only is this the right thing to do, but it also helps protect you from potential legal trouble. Now, more importantly, a site that's easier to use means that more visitors stay longer, and that's always a win. Now, I know installing things like widgets and plugins might sound technical, but don't worry. I'm gonna make it super simple and walk you through everything step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the UserWay accessibility widget up and running on your Elementor website. Let's go ahead and get started. Step 1, register your website on UserWay. Now, before we can do anything, we need to register your website on userway.org. This is a quick process and it's completely free to get started. First, go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get started with UserWay. Once you go ahead and click on that link, it'll bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and click on Start Free Trial. So let's go ahead and do that together right now. So on the UserWay website, we're gonna go ahead and click on this Start Your Free Trial button right here. Now here it's gonna ask for our full name, our email address, as well as our website URL. All right, now that we have the email address and our website URL plugged in, we'll go ahead and click on Continue. So now it's gonna go ahead and recommend us a plan for us. So here it went ahead and analyzed our website and it's gonna go ahead and make a suggestion for us. Now for this example, I'm gonna go ahead and click right here on the free widget and go ahead and click on that and go ahead and click on Continue to free widget. Okay, and right here, this is where we go ahead and we'll find that custom code. So I'll go ahead and click on Copy. Step 2, copy your unique code snippet. So now that you're signed up, it's time to grab the unique code snippet that UserWay gives you. This little piece of code is what makes the magic happen. It tells your website to display the UserWay accessibility widget and lets visitors adjust your site based on their needs. There are a few different ways that you can find your code. The first and easiest way is right after registration, you'll see it on the confirmation screen. But if you accidentally close that window, don't worry. You'll also have an email from UserWay with that exact same code snippet. Now, another way to grab your code is through the UserWay dashboard. So you can go ahead and log into your account and go to the top menu and click on My Embed Script. This will take you to a page where you can copy the code whenever you need it. Now, once you have that, go ahead and copy that code snippet. Step 3, install the UserWay widget in Elementor. Now, don't worry, it's a lot easier than it sounds. We're just gonna paste that code snippet into Elementor's custom code section. So first things first, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, go ahead and look at the left-hand menu, and this is where all your site's main settings live. We wanna find the section that says Elementor and click on it. A sub-menu will pop up underneath, and from here, we're gonna go ahead and click on Custom Code. Now you should see a new page. If this is the first time that you're adding custom code, you'll see a big button in the center that says Add New Custom Code. Go ahead and click that. Now, if you've already added another code snippet before, don't worry, just click the Add New button at the top. Next, a page will open where you can enter your code. At the very top, there's a field for the title. This is just for your reference. You can go ahead and name it something like UserWay Widget so you'll know what it is later on. Now, right below that, you'll see a location dropdown. This tells Elementor where the code should go. You want to select body end because this ensures that the widget loads properly on every page. Now, all that's left is pasting your UserWay code snippet. Just click in the big text box, right click, and paste the code. Once that's done, move over to the right side of the page and hit publish. Step 4, configure site-wide settings. Right after you hit publish, a pop-up will appear asking where you want the code to be applied. By default, it'll be set to entire site, and that's exactly what we want. This ensures the UserWay widget will be available on every page of your site, no matter where someone lands. Now, if for some reason it's set to something else, just open the drop-down menu and select entire site. Then just hit the save and close button and you're good to go. Step 5, verify installation. Now that we've installed the widget, let's make sure that everything is working properly. And the easiest way to do this is to preview our website. So go ahead and open up your site in a new tab and look for the UserWay widget. It should appear as a small accessibility icon in one of the corners of your screen. Click on it and a menu should pop up with different accessibility options like text resizing, contrast adjustments, and a screen reader. Why you should choose UserWay. If you're serious about making your website accessible, UserWay is one of the best tools out there. Not only is it easy to install, but it also provides a ton of customization options to fit the needs of your site. The free version of the widget already offers a lot of accessibility improvements, but if you're looking for more advanced features, upgrading to the AI-powered UserWay Pro widget can take your site to the next level. Now, at the end of the day, making your website more accessible isn't just about following the rules. It's about creating a better experience for everyone. And with UserWay, it's never been easier to do just that. So don't wait. Go ahead and get started with UserWay today and make your website a place where everyone feels welcome. So that's it. You've successfully installed the UserWay accessibility widget on your Elementor website, making your site more inclusive and user-friendly. Now, if you want to get started with UserWay, we'll have a link for it down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.